What do we have to start with? iPhone 15 Pro low energy chip to allow solid state buttons to work when the device is off or out of battery. Well, yeah, I mean, that would be necessary, right? When the device is off, how are you going to turn it back on? Well, with your solid state. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will use the new ultra-low energy microprocessor, allowing certain features like the new capacitive solid-state buttons to remain functional even when the handset is powered off or the battery has run out, according to a source that has shared details people were probably concerned about this. I can imagine. You have people seeing these developments with the buttons, and they say, well, wait, what about reliability? What about different circumstances? All these technological advancements. You know, I got people, after all the car theft problems, I got people saying, I use this little thing called a key to start my car. Yeah, it works pretty good.
Just dangling in front of your face?
Works pretty good. Yeah. And people don't steal. It takes them a little longer. Yeah, I know they tend to prefer a little push-button start, don't they? Those thieves. Same thing here. People say, yeah, new technology is great and all that, but what are the potential drawbacks? And so you sit there and you think, well, what about like a button or a switch in the situation like this where maybe you've lost power, completely dead battery? Last year, let's see. Okay, according to an anonymous source, the new microprocessor will replace Apple's current super low energy mode that allows an iPhone to be located via Find My after it has been powered off for up to 24 hours. The key part there is 24 hours because you can't do that forever. It enables Apple Pay Express mode to be used for up to 5 hours after the batteries run out. That's another thing people worry about because they don't carry the wallet anymore. They're paying for things with the phone, and then the battery runs out, and they can't all of a sudden get a, I don't know, bus ticket or My daughter started watching a lot of Lorax, the Lorax movie.
Oh, okay.
How bad can I be? He's chopping all the trees down. You know. Yeah. And the guy's like, "Hey," he's like, "Get out of my face!" Just getting bigger and bigger.
Is that how it worked?
You never read the Lorax?
I have not.
Talking about Dr. Seuss here.
Yeah.
Guys,
that's the one I skipped.
Been around. Yeah. Well, I got this song stuck in my head now because of that.
Okay.
Because you know how they do it with those children's songs? Oh, they cut right through like a knife. They cut right into the psyche. And they sit there. How bad can I be?
Was it nostalgic for you?
No, I never watched it before. Okay. No nostalgia involved. The source also claims that the new low-energy capacitive features are currently being tested with and without taptic engine feedback while powered off, but not while the battery is dead. The man inside Apple has seen two functional versions of the rumored new unified volume button in testing, including one where the volume goes up, down faster depending on the amount of force used when pressed. And another where the volume can be adjusted by swiping up and down on the button with a finger. So it's going to be all types of, you can picture the promo videos. Volume has never been so exciting.
Yeah.
They don't use that voice. I wish they did use that voice. Volume has never been this exciting.
Sounds like Duke Nukem.
Volume has never been this exciting.
Yeah.
This holiday season, volume has never been this exciting. This summer, theater near you.